I'm Miss Shaw.
I'm Ian.
And we're here to do a big unboxing of a new camera.
Alright, let's get this baby started.
Want to start with a little thing?
No.
No? Okay.
We'll go for the big thing. Yeah, we're not allowed to have knives in school, so I'm going to use this lacy hard drive. Looks good, right? Alright. Usually, yeah.
Here's some else want to pop those.
I don't need that. What is that? Invoice? Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna need that later. Not right now.
Okay.
This end is up. Alright, let's see what we got.
Perfect.
We're super excited. This is our first new camera in a long time. It's the new Canon XF400. It's a 4K. Wanna help me?
Yep. Hold on, I gotta get up.
Get up. Let's try again. You alright?
I'm good.
Good.
Alright, this isn't gonna work.
Alright, we'll just rip the box. Even though it's a wicked nice box.
Such a nice box.
Yeah. Look at that. Another box. It'll be one of these fake Christmas gifts that like ends up being this big.
Yeah.
Manuals.
Owner's manual.
Oh, here we go. Power supply.
Lens hood.
Battery.
Wow.
Cable. Mini little remote.
Right.
Oh, there's a battery there too.
There's a battery. Oh, sorry.
Nice. There's the handle.
Beautiful. I got the rig here. Oh.
Yeah. The microphone mount.
Is this a bag?
Kinda is, yeah.
Styrofoam bag.
Styrofoam bag.
Wow, that's small. Hello. Look at that.
Look at that. It's our new camera.
There she goes.
This is kind of like the XF, not the XF, the C100 I have. The way this fits on here.
Beautiful.
This is our beautiful, brand new 4K camera for new movie magic. Thank you for joining Rambler Productions for this unboxing video.